Hello everyone! Today I want to talk to you about dresses. I show you a lot of different designs and techniques, and I'm going to show you many more. Today I want to tell you about different designs of dresses and peculiarities of sewing them. The first design we're going to talk about is dresses with dolman sleeves and side details instead of the side seams. It's not the same design I showed you recently. To make such dress, you need to use a basic pattern. When making such dresses, it's very important to define the points where the side details end very accurately. It depends on your bodice. This is not a very popular design. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to make such dress. I'm going to show you how to make a pattern for such dress and how it will look like after tacking. As I've already said, it's very important to define where the side details should end accurately. Every time I put this dress on, people tell me that I've probably lost some weight. The thing is that no matter how much weight I lose, my waist doesn't change. It's 102 centimeters. There's nothing I can do about it. It's okay. First, I want to tell you how to choose a design for a dress. Dresses shouldn't make you look bigger than you are. If you make a skirt wide in order to hide your belly, make a bodice close-fitting. Sleeves also shouldn't be too wide in this case. It's also very important to choose appropriate length. Even though midi dresses are very popular, they don't suit everyone. I can't wear such dresses. Be very attentive. Knee-level dresses suit almost everyone. Midi dresses are pretty dangerous. I recommend making long dresses instead of midi ones. I do have a midi dress, but just one. It's black and it's circle. You should sew your dresses very accurately. Body should fit you perfectly. Armholes should be very accurate. People often tell me that my dresses look expensive. What makes a cheap dress different from an expensive one? It should fit your body perfectly. All the small details should be accurate. Next, I want to tell you about sewing techniques. I went shopping recently. There are a lot of different dresses sold in shops. The thing is that they don't look like dresses. They look like pieces of cloth. Why is it so? Because the techniques used for making them are way too simple. I don't know why, but the techniques we used to use for making dressing gowns are now used for making dresses. To make a dress of a good quality, you need to pay attention to every small detail. I show you a lot of useful techniques, and I also show you a lot of reviews of finished items for you to see how these techniques are used in real work. It's very important to know how to edge seams, how to make overcasts, facings, hems, how to line clothes, and so on. It's not easy. To make a dress of a good quality, you need to work really hard. Anyway, knowing all the needed secrets and techniques, you will be able to do it. I decided to make a course on how to make pencil dresses. In the course, I will show you the process of sewing such dress from the scratch. What do you think? So, a dress should be of a perfect fit, and it should be made accurately. The design should suit you. There's one more important thing. Don't think that the more details you add, the better your dress looks. It doesn't. Dresses should be simple, but at the same time beautiful. Don't decorate one and the same dress with flounces, bows, different crystals, and so on. It wouldn't look good. The best dresses are the ones of simple designs, made of fabrics of good quality. It's very important to make accurate patterns. Bottom lines should be accurate too. This dress is asymmetric at the bottom. The seam which attaches the side detail to the front one ends with a slit. The dress is a bit longer on this side. I didn't want to make the bottom straight. The threads I used for top stitching were grey. I did it on purpose, to wear this dress with specific accessories, but I forgot them at home. It's also very important to pay attention to the length of the sleeves. The best length is 3/4 sleeves. I move a lot, so I made the sleeves of such length. They end right about the elbows. You can make sleeves of any length you want. Don't think that we should wear dresses in long sleeves in winter and sleeveless dresses in summer. It's not true. We can wear dresses with short sleeves in winter as well. I've already showed you how to make mittens. You can wear them with such dresses. I think that dresses with short sleeves are much more convenient than the ones with long ones. As I've already said, it's very important to sew dresses of a good quality. To do that, we need to use appropriate sewing techniques. Watch the videos on how to make multifunctional dresses and the best for it. In these videos, I showed you a lot of very useful moments and techniques. Of course, these are not the only useful videos. I try to show you something useful and interesting in every video. When I make the course on how to make pencil dresses, you will be able to make dresses of a very high quality, like the one I'm wearing now. It would cost a fortune in a shop. Unfortunately, mass market shops don't make clothes of such quality. I wanted to know what are the features of a high-quality dress. Suitable design, perfect fit, appropriate sewing techniques. 5-minute dresses are something I can't understand. I don't wear such dresses even when I'm home alone. There is one more thing I want to tell you about. Color is also very important. Think about it in advance. I know how it happens. You go to a shop, find an amazing piece of fabric, and buy it immediately. Then you come home and realize that it doesn't suit your shoes, accessories, outerwear. You can't wear it to work, or it's too smart to wear it every day. Before buying fabric, think about the outfits you can make with it. This dress was made in such a way that I can wear it with my shoes, my ankle boots, and high shoes. Before making dress, think about the pairs of shoes you have. Not the ones you can buy for it, but the ones you actually do have. Color is very important. You can also make multicolored dresses. The last thing is actually the most important – your personality. It's more complicated than designs, than all possible sewing techniques. This is what women are like. A dress can be absolutely amazing, but we might still not like it. Or like it, but don't feel like buying it. It's very important to feel confident and comfortable in clothes you wear. No one can tell you what suits you better than yourselves. Try different lengths, different necklines, different designs. Choose the ones which suit you better. Practice makes perfect. I also want to talk to you about some superstitions. Some people say that white clothes make us look fat. It's not true. An accurate white shirt or dress would never make you look fat. It depends not on the color, but on the design. People also say that horizontal stripes make us look fat. They don't. You should be much more careful with vertical stripes. Take a piece of striped fabric and see if it suits you better when the stripes are horizontal or vertical. I've already showed you how to make Breton striped blouses. They are always in trend. Vertical lines are dangerous. Be careful. There is one more superstition I know about. Some say that people of big sizes should wear V-necks. They say that such necklines make us look taller. What? A V-neck would never make you look taller. Choose a neckline which suits you. There is no universal techniques or designs. We are all different. I don't get it when some designers say that all people of big sizes should wear V-necks. We are all different, our bodies are different. How can techniques or designs be the same for everyone? The thing is that it's better to make clothes with some small details. A big piece of fabric without any additional details doesn't look that good. This is why I often make seams on the center front. In this dress, there are side details instead of the side seams. They make me look 2 sizes smaller than I really am. Let's sum up what I told you today. Suitable design, perfect fit, appropriate sewing techniques, color, fabric. Do not forget about your personality. And don't listen to other people. No one knows you better than you do. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.